respective table for the cooking competition. Alright, and before we will proceed, so the first competition, we would like to request the presence of all the Barangay Council in attendance. So please be here with us on the gym. And also, we would like to call on our visitors to please do have the presidential table on stage. And pwede po mag-sip-sili pagpunta na tanaw taon-taon diyan sa atong cooking competition. And then mga miyembro nato no na nadira wala gilingkuran daghang kay bangko sa tubangan no. So you can use this chair. I don't know biraw dala. Lingkuran lang nato para nating audience. Partner, come here with me on the front. Before we start our competition, kindly read once again the criteria and mechanics for our cooking contest.
Okay, for the cooking contest, we have the guidelines and mechanics. The chef cook of each parok must be the parok chairman or woman with one assistant cook. Raw materials will be provided by the barangay. Cooking will be actual at barangay covered court and has a 2-hour time limit. Menu ingredients with costing must be in written presentation and table for judging. Half of the dish must be submitted to the barangay after judging.